Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. Another coin purchased out of a collection that I am actually doing. And it's a strange type of collection, but let's get into this and I'll explain it to you as I go through it. You know, with collecting coins, there's something to be said for the way to collect. And people have different ways of collecting typesets. They collect by mint mark, they collect series, all kinds of ways to collect for sure out there in the community. Let's see here. This is a bagging, and then it becomes an unboxing here. So here, this is kind of strange how this is packaged here. This is kind of just open like this. We can pull it out here. And let's see if we can make this happen here. All right, very good. Makes for easy unpackaging. So this is 007. That's right. 1 ounce silver proof high relief coin. That's right. Very good. A pretty big box here. Perth Mint produces this out of Australia. And here we go. Wow, this is unique, different packaging than what you're used to seeing from the Perth Mint. Wow, this thing has a magnetic box on it, or lid. Just slides right down there magnetically. Very, very cool indeed. This is a 1 ounce high relief coin, the United States Mint. And here's our certificate of authenticity. A James Bond coin struck by the Perth Mint from 4 nines, pure silver, and proof quality. Very cool. And very nice. And there's a certificate number, 1608 out of 5,000 pieces here. And it is quite something else. Look at that. Wow. Beautifully done. This thing is extravagant. Look at that. It's got gilding on it. It's the high relief gilded from the movies, the opening sequence there. That's the rifling of the bullet coming out. 007. High relief, look at that. And there's the Queen on the obverse here, 4 nines fine. Tuvalu is the nation of issue. Beautiful piece indeed. But it is the version of the Queen that we've been seeing on these high relief coins for a while now. And this is sort of a continuation of the high relief 1 ounce pieces that I've been getting. And I don't collect all of the ultra high relief coins from the Perth Mint, but I am getting each one from each thing commemorated or the beginning of a series. For instance, the Lunar series started with the dragon, so I have the high relief dragon, but I don't have the horse, that type of thing. So this is the first one that commemorates a movie, and so I am getting the movie high relief version. Now, if another movie comes out, I probably won't get that one unless it's something I really like, and that coin will stand on its own. And so there you have it. So very, very cool indeed, and I thought I'd just share this with the community. And this is obviously a very high premium piece. This is like $80 for this coin. And but it's and there's no promise I'm going to ever get that money back if I go to sell it. But I'm a collector, and you collect things you enjoy. And it's one of those things where when you do so, you understand what is involved in the pricing of different coins. You understand there's a premium. That's the risk that you take when you buy. And so if you do need to sell, there may not be much market at all for a coin like this. But if you enjoy it, that's worth the price of admission in my view. And you're always protected by the intrinsic value of the silver, worst case scenario. And more than likely down the road, the silver price will get closer to that premium. Who knows how long that will take, obviously. When I say closer, I'm not saying it's going to match or silver's going to go to $80 an ounce by any stretch, but who knows? In 20 years, silver could be regularly $40 an ounce. You never know. It has a reeded edge, as is the case with all of these coins. Of course, the Queen Elizabeth. And with the Perth Mint, you're pretty much almost practically guaranteed, absolute stellar quality with their pieces as such. But I do like that this is a unique packaging, something a little different than what you're used to seeing for these high relief pieces. It has a protective cover there to prevent the coin from being jostled around in shipping or just in movement in general. And then there's the certificate of authenticity and a magnetic lid. It just keeps it in place there. Very, very cool indeed. Beautifully done. I love that gilding on it too. I don't know that I've seen another high relief coin with gilding directly from the mint as such. So that's pretty cool. There it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.